Alright, well, you guys, welcome back to another video. It's Skylyfe Projects. Hope you guys are doing good and staying super blessed. You guys saw in the previous video, we were putting the Type R back together, the front end at least. Has the new front bumper from RevMoto, and then it's got the Ballad Sports M lip. So we're done focusing on exterior right now. This video is really going to be focused on the engine. I want to do a brief overview of everything that has been done to the engine. This is not going to focus on any exterior mods, suspension, or anything like that. It's all in here. It's all in the power plant. So that's what we're going to go over today, because this will be the last video you guys see in the engine before the MHI Stage 2 turbo build starts. As you guys do know from previous videos, I do have the MHI Stage 2 turbo literally sitting in the living room right back there in the house. And yeah, so that's what's going on. Hopefully to hit a healthy with the MHI Stage 2 turbo build, 460 to 485 wheel horsepower, and you know, probably around 33 pounds of boost, up to 35, somewhere around there. We'll see what happens, but that is going to be starting very soon, and that's what this video is going to be going over as well. So yeah, all right, let me just get this started. Love you guys. One sec. All right, so for starters, the first mod that is done in this power plant, in this engine bay on my 21 Type R, will be no other than the PRL high volume intake, also known as PRL HVI for short. It is great. It obviously makes the whoosh noises, you know, from the turbo. It was one of the first engine mods I actually did. Now, following that, we have the Rampage 3.5 race map right there, the red anodized right there. Next to that is going to be the PRL titanium inlet pipe. You guys can see that right there. That is obviously, you know, with a tune. You need a tune with it. Maybe you actually can do it without a tune. I haven't heard anybody who has, but with a tune, that's obviously what makes some good power. Okay, now following that, we have the strut bar. The strut brace is in the engine bay, and that is by CERAMICRO Phase 2 carbon fiber. Okay, next to that over there is the, let me bring the camera over here actually, is the coolant reservoir tank, wrinkle red by Mishimoto. So that's right there. Comes with the Mishimoto oil cap as well. Behind that is the Mishimoto oil catch can. Okay, right, let's see if I can get the camera right back there where I'm pointing. Okay, then next to the coolant reservoir is the J's Racing valve cover, followed by J's Racing oil cap as well. And this also has Hasport motor mount, rear mount 70 AA. So it's got that as well. Below the intake, we have the Mishimoto radiator coolant hoses. Okay, on top of that right here, if you guys can see under this shroud, which will be carbon fiber soon, but it says Mishimoto right there. Let me get close. Mishimoto, that's the Mishimoto radiator. Okay, and if we come all the way down, camera goes down, keeps going to right there. Let's see if I can get it. Car's kind of low, but Mishimoto front mount intercooler as well. So we have that. Then there is the wrinkle red Mishimoto intercooler piping. Okay, hot side and obviously cold side. Or I'm sorry, cold side down there. So yes, okay. For cooling purposes, we have the vented carbon fiber hood by CMST Tuning. It is open, so this allows more cool air to go into the engine bay to cool the turbo, to help with the temperatures, the you know, IATs, everything like that. So that is very good. Added some APR carbon fiber little engine covers there, password JDM, ECU cover, and then the what do you call this? I don't know, I forget what cover that's called, but it's not the battery, it's something else. So those two covers, as well as Cybin carbon fiber cooling grill. As you guys can see, it's got more open air holes here, even at the top, right there. Okay, so that helps with cooling a lot. Now it has the RV6 downpipe, which is under that. It's under this. Okay, RV6 downpipe. It is ceramic coated, followed by RV6 front pipe, also ceramic coated down there. Okay, and HKS catback Ligamax exhaust. So all that is done. It is still stock turbo. It is still stock fuel. What else? Oh, I forgot to mention, you guys. I always forget this. Behind this, on the bumper right here, is a Mishimoto oil cooler. So I have that as well to keep those oil temperatures down. All right, so have that as well. Now, the car is currently making on a hub dyno, Mustang dyno, 382 wheel, 363 pound-feet. On all-wheel drive dyno, it made 363 wheel, 350 pound-feet. So those are the numbers for right now. This is Honda, and it is variable stage 2 tune. Okay, so that's what we're looking at right now. That is a run through of what has been currently done to my Type R's engine bay and performance modifications, okay, as well as the cooling mods that I went over with the hood, with the intercooler, everything like that. So this is where we're at, you guys. This is before the MHI Stage 2 turbo build starts. Can't wait. We have the XDI fuel pump, okay, that's going to be installed, as well as the 1430cc FK8 TD injectors, getting those. It'll have a DW300 low pressure fuel pump. So the high pressure fuel pump is XDI. Sorry, I forgot to mention that. The low pressure will be with DW300. Okay. Now, with those mods alone, that's going to be one map on a 91 octane tune. Okay, on an MHI Stage 2 turbo, of course, which will obviously go right there. All right. The second map will be a E blend tune. So it'll be like an E40 or E50 mixed E85 and 91 octane. I can't do 93 because in Arizona doesn't have 93 octane. We only have up to 91, and after 91 is full race gas at 100 octane. Some places even carry up to 110 actually. So yeah, I'm not doing the race gas build. I don't want my engine to go completely. I know people have attempted it and tried it, but it's risky, honestly, for the K20 engine. So with all that being said, yeah, that's where we're at. And you know, let me turn the camera on here. You guys, we're gonna see the power that it actually makes. We're gonna see if my numbers come true. My prediction is 462 to 485 wheel horsepower on an MHI Stage 2 Turbo Type R. So that's gonna all come up, you guys. I can't wait. I know it's a process. I feel like I keep going backwards with the fucking front end on this car. Accidents happen, you know, things happen in life. You just have to take the bull by its horns and ride with it. So that's where we're at. And just let me know what you guys think about its current status, the engine, how it's coming along. I know it's a little bit fancy and everything, added some carbon fiber and stuff, but really just focusing on the power numbers. Variable has been a great tune. I've had no issues with it, especially with the mods that have been added from Mishimoto, from PRL, from RV6, and so on, right? So yeah, this will be the last time you guys see the engine bay like this, because the next video that, well, it won't be the next video, but probably 3 or 4 videos from now, okay, we'll see the turbo here installed in the engine. We're gonna run some dyno numbers. I'm gonna take it to 2 different dynos, get 2 different dyno results, and you know, that's where we're gonna be at. So yeah, that's what we're talking about today. This video seems to be done, talking about the engine, the build coming up for it. And you guys, honestly, I love my Type R FK8 with passion. I wouldn't trade it for the world. I'm keeping it in the collection. It's not going anywhere. Yes, other cars will be added eventually, but okay, not this car. It is not going anywhere. It is staying right here. All right. So with all that being said, you guys, much love, major blessings. This is Skylyfe Projects. This was another video. Never hesitate. Always put your best foot forward. Never listen to a damn thing except what your mind tells you to do. Man, listen to your heart also. All right. Skylyfe Projects. Till next video, guys. I'll see you. Skylyfe. Let's go.